Welcome to the future of contact centers, powered by generative artificial intelligence. This innovative solution connects conversation intelligence data across your enterprise, empowering data-driven decisions and automation. Integrate all your data, including generative AI-created data, in real time with multiple business systems. From customer relationship management systems like Salesforce and HubSpot to business intelligence platforms like Tableau and Power BI, the possibilities are endless. Reduce total cost of ownership with pre-built connectors to critical systems such as Contact Center as a Service, or CCaaS, and Human Resource Information Systems, or HRIS. Automation enhances operational efficiency across the contact center, streamlining processes and minimizing IT effort. Empower your team with insights from 100% of customer interactions. Push AI-generated summaries to your CRM, reducing after-call work and improving agent efficiency. Connect conversation insights to external BI systems for advanced reporting and analytics. Stay ahead of potential escalations with instant alerts and automated tickets, mitigating legal risks. Improve call handling by querying your knowledge base in real time, delivering accurate information in every interaction. Simplify user management by integrating with HRIS for optimized agent performance tracking.